tools, and we've kind of broken them down into three ways that your workforce is going to access these large language models. The first one is public applications like ChatGPT. So right now you can, and you hopefully already have, and your employees certainly are using ChatGPT to help them through any number of tasks, improving paragraphs, potentially writing poems or researching a topic on the internet. Seems simple enough until your employees are actually putting in, let's say, written code from your company and sending sensitive information through this prompt to get back better code, or proprietary information, or personal information. So it's important to note that as soon as that data goes into this prompt in ChatGPT, you're no longer protected with the information that could be leaving your organization. So how are your employees using this publicly available tool for interacting with these large language models? It's out there now. Unless you've locked them down, your employees are using them, and be aware of what that could entail. The next way that our employees and workforce are going to be using ChatGPT and these other large language models are through third-party applications. Rob just mentioned Copilots coming out from Microsoft. We have large language models and generative AI capabilities built into Salesforce. We have generative AI capabilities built into Google applications, and other SAP applications, and other enterprise applications are starting to embed these generative AI model capabilities within their software. What does that pipeline look like? How secure is that pipe? And who has the accountability for the information coming back, right? So even though your third-party vendors are embedding these capabilities into the software, it's just important to know, how does that work, so you can control the potential sensitive information coming back and forth through your organization. And then the third method here is building a custom application. Some of the use cases that Rob showed earlier were companies that are already, and it looks like we've got a few on the call here that are actually piloting large language models in their organization, which is building an application and then sending information, controlling the information flow to the large language model and back. And this gives you great control, but of course it's the development of an application. So these are three primary ways you're going to see LLMs and generative AI models coming to your organization.